The aim of the sit-up test is to measure your core strength ability by seeing how many sit-ups you can carry out in 30 seconds. To carry out this test, you need a non-slip surface to take part on, a stopwatch and an assistant who will time you. Before you try this test, you should warm up for 5 to 10 minutes by carrying out some light jogging and stretching. The first thing you need to do is lay flat on the ground with your knees bent and your hands on your ears. Your hands should stay here for the whole test. Once you're in this ready position, your assistant should place their hands on top of your feet to hold them in place. I don't have an assistant, so I'm going to jam my feet under the end of the bed, which you'll see. The assistant should then say go and begin the stopwatch. This is your signal to start your sit-ups, counting them as you go. If you've got a third person in your house, you could get them to count, but don't worry if not. For a sit-up, you should use your core muscles to raise yourself from the floor to an upright position. Your elbows must touch your knees. Any repetitions that you remove your hands from your ears or do not touch your knees with your elbows do not count. The assistant must keep an eye on the stopwatch and say stop when the 30 seconds is up. You must then record your score. For example, you would write first attempt 24 sit-ups. Then going to repeat these steps 2 more times so that you've got 3 attempts overall. I recommend having a minute or two's rest in between each attempt because you'll get tired. Your best of these 3 scores is the one that you will submit to us.